Heute geht es um Possessivbegleiter, also Worte wie mein, dein, sein, ihr. Seid ihr neugierig? Wollt ihr wissen, was wir heute für euch haben? Dann schauen wir doch zusammen rein. This is LbTV with videos for you. Bevor wir aber starten, vergesst nicht, uns zu abonnieren, damit ihr jederzeit coole Videos bekommt. Nun zu meiner Familie. Hi, I'm Lisa, Lisa Johnson. My first name is Lisa and my last name is Johnson.
Hi, I'm Steve Johnson.
And this is my brother. He's cool.
My name is Jim.
We are the Johnsons,
and this is our family.
This is our house,
It's orange.
but its door is blue.
Sally has a friend. Her friend is Lucy. She's nice.
Jim has a friend too. His name is Luke. He's a lot of fun.
Jim and Sally like their friends. They like to play.
Have fun, kids!
Bye.
Bye! See you tomorrow!
See you.
Hey Jim, hey Sally.
You're alone.
Where are your friends? They're at their home now. Well, that was my family and those were our friends. Und ihr habt etwas über Possessivbegleiter gelernt. Wenn ihr Fragen habt, einfach im Kommentar die Frage hinterlassen und wir antworten euch gerne. Und vergesst nicht, abonniert uns. Ciao! Wenn du mehr lernen möchtest, drücke auf Abonnieren. Brought to you by LbTV with videos for you.